So let me fill up these positions for you. So what I have here is 0 to 5, 7, 13, 15. These are the groups from the first K-map where A is equal to 0. So let me fill the K-map for you. What you can actually do is the blue line shown here is the axis of symmetry. So you can place the K-map where A is equal to 1 onto A is equal to 0. Then all the positions will match. All the 16 cells available with A is equal to 1 will overlap the 16 cell with available with A is equal to 0, and A is equal to 0 and A is equal to 1, the both bits are different, so you can cancel out, and there is a similar group formed on the basis of B, C and D, E. Okay, so don't get confused. What we will do here is we have total 32 cells, so try to make a group of 32. Is it possible here? No, it is not possible. Then reduce it to 16. If you overlap, still the group of 16 means 16 ones cannot be overlapped from each other, so group of 16 is also not possible. Group of 8 is possible if you see carefully. See, if I am going to overlap these two K maps, the 4 cells exactly at the center, if I will overlap these K maps onto each other, these 4 cells will be overlapped exactly, and all the 4 cells are having 1. So therefore there will be a group of 4, and we will write the equation for group of 4 as, you need to go straight upwards. We'll see A is equal to 0 and A is equal to 1 here, so A bit will be cancelled out, but BCD part is common for both the groups. If we go straight upwards, one bit will be common, that is stands for C. C is equal to 1, and if you go straight leftwards, there will be another bit common, that is nothing but the E. So the group is C, E. Now group of 8, we have started from 32, 16 is not available, 32 is not available, 8 is available, so made a group of 8. Another group of 8 is not possible. Okay, so I'll move down to group of 4. So let us try to make a group of 4. So if I will bunch together this group of 4, so it will be easy for me. So this group is only present in the section where A is equal to 1. So what you can do here is, first of all you need to place A, because A is equal to 1, and go straight upwards. You will find the bits common for C, and go leftwards, you will find the bits common for D, where D is equal to 0, so it will be D bar. So it will be A, C, D bar. Now let us come to this section where A is equal to 0. You cannot form another group of 4. Okay, so I will move down to group of 2. So group of 2 is possible with these twos, with having position 0 and having position 2. So what I will do here, I will form a group of 2. So this is first, if you fold this K map, A is equal to 0 section, so I will get a group of 2 here. So name of this group will be, first of all, A is equal to 0 common, therefore I will write A bar, and then afterwards I will go straight upwards, both the bits are common, B, C, so I will write B bar, C bar, and if I will go leftwards, so again 0 bit is common, which is for E, so it will be E bar. So group name is A bar, B bar, C bar, E bar. Okay, and you will see carefully the last one is remaining here, and we can also form of, means the K map is overlapped, then the position number 2 is overlapped with the position number 18, and there is a group of 1. So no matter what, if you keep a group of 1 single here, but it will increase 1 bit A. If I am going to make a group of 2 with this one position having 18 and 2, then A bit will be vanished and the group will be more smaller, hence the circuit implementation will be smaller. So what I will do, I will make a group of 2 here. So I am choosing a diamond shape to show a group of 2. You can name this group as, since we are overlapping these two K map of 4 variables, so A bit will be vanished, and if you straight go upwards, BC will be common, so BC both are 0 0, so it will be B bar, C bar, and if you go straight leftwards, both the bits are common again, that is nothing but D and E is 0, so it will be B bar, C bar, D is 1 and E is 0, so it will be E bar. and if you add these four groups, then you will get the reduced equation for the four variable function a, b, c, d, e.